Qualcuno fa una foto a Johnny? Johnny.
Frida? Frida? She's looking at you. Sai che ti guarda? Guarda,
She's singing.
What are you doing?
Give me more meat.
Frida,
Frida.
Frida, vai, vai.
Frida.
Bella, brava.
Che brava. Che brava. Oh. Yeah. Sei bella.
You should sing to her.
No, tranquillo.
What do you think?
Johnny. Poi io do a Giancarmine, poi Giancarmine.
Ah, sì, sì.
Fai così, guarda.
Johnny, look at me. Johnny. Frida, look at you. Look at me.
The same nose.
Somebody is going to be in trouble.
That was good, yeah.
Things like that.
Frida, vai.
Only in Sicily can happen things like that.
Could you ever imagine?
Tieni Rosella, I'm busy now. Thank you, John.
Thanks to be mind blown yet.
No, bello,
C'è il cibo. C'è cibo a terra?
No, gliel'ho buttato prima. Sì, la può toccare, la può toccare. Yes, yes. Tranquilla, tranquilla. Tranquilla, 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 go.
Eccomi, here I am.
Vai, 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 vai.
Vai, vai,
Vai
vai.
tranquillo.
The back, yeah, the back, yeah.
Ok.
Bellissimo. Bellissimo. Io ho visto calcio, bellissimo.
Falco Poiano, sicuramente.
Poiano. Pronto?
Vai, ci sei tu con la trompetta?
Fagliela vedere, agitala. Frida!
Frida!
Oh, Frida!
Frida! Frida!
Gira, gira,
Frida!
turn.
Frida!
Guarda qua, Frida!
No, l'ha visto già.
Guarda. Brava! Brava! Mi piace? Ma sei bellissima! Ma sei bellissima! Ti piace qua? Sì? Ti piace qua? Anche al mio gatto piace qua. Gioia, ma quanto è bello! Guarda che bella!
Sei bellissima, Frida. Bella, amore, sei bellissima.
Non ti vuole?
Non mi vuole a me.
Arrabbiato.
E io faccio di dietro come faccio con i maschietti, guarda.
No, no, è giusto, è giusto. She's a local guide, don't worry. Just a local guide.
Yes, this is a nasty local guy. Yeah.
Takes food off the ground. Not, she doesn't want to hit something in the sky.
Sì, loro dall'alto si
Bella,
buttano
Frida,
verso
sei
terra.
Like a little mouse or something.
Ciao.
Io sono coniglio.
Io disagino per me.
It's a local guide. It's not dangerous.
She catches rabbits.
Only in Sicily. Come to Sicily to enjoy an experience like this, if you can. If you cannot, I'm sorry for you. You can just watch the video.
Esatto, you miss a lot.
Allora,
Let me introduce you to Frida.
fare una cosa per tutti.
Aspetta, Rito,
Sì?
Perché sì, Giussi, grazie, scusami, ti dico impegnata continuamente. Allora, la falconeria
Falconry.
è l'arte della caccia con il falco.
Sì. È what they call art of hunting with.
Oh, lì ti fa male, eh?
Falcon.
No, per ora no.
It's a very old
Però,
tradition. Ci ho insegnato la passione di Federico II.
Ah, ok, perfetto, infatti diciamo che fu proprio re Federico II il primo a cacciare con il
questo non ti
falco.
serve, no?
It's going to go on your head.
Frederick II of Australia was the famous movie.
I agree with you.
Famous huge book like this. The art venandi valubus in Latin.
Can I help
Art
you?
of hunting.
Like that.
Se n'è andata, forse ha visto il microfono.
I wonder if it's giving off a frequency or something that bothers.
Attenzione, una cosa, I falchi non si addestrano, non sono dei cani.
No, it's not like dogs.
Loro
You cannot teach them things.
sono condizionati.
Sì, yeah.
Si condizionano. Va
They
bene?
are somehow, well, condizionati, we can say they are somehow influenced by all what the humans can transmit them. But it's not like a dog. You say to the dog, stay there, don't move, and they, listen to the lesson. I mean, they follow you somehow. Not the birds. No, it's not a pet.
Nel periodo in cui loro vanno a caccia,
Sì.
devono essere pesati tutti i giorni.
During a hunting season, they need to be weighed every day. So they calculate the weight of the bird every day.
Perché
In the hunting season.
Perché i falchi, non sembra, ma sono gli animali più pigri che ci siano.
They don't look like this, but they're lazy, very lazy birds.
Se loro non hanno un peso che li condiziona a cacciare, loro non cacciano, quindi hanno un peso anche 20 grammi di differenza. Lui è...
If they have a lower weight, usually they should have, they become lazy. So if they're not motivated by their weight, they don't move. They don't go for hunting. That's it. That's funny, huh? Yeah. Well, if they weigh less than what the body requires, they are not motivated to go and hunt. That's what they do. So they need a certain weight.
Però c'è una spiegazione a questo, perché loro in natura per cacciare rischiano la vita, per cui se il loro organismo non ne ha veramente bisogno, loro non cacciano.
It's true that they risk their life while they're hunting, not in these conditions of course, but think of the woods. So instead of risking their life, if they're not sure that their body requires this for surviving, they don't go and they don't hunt. They just stay, see, like any other pet. That's right. So that's fine. So the weight is very important for the motivation.
Diamo l'ultimo boccone a Frida.
Aspetta. In the meantime, let me introduce to anyone who don't know you yet. I know there are few people in the world because now Vito is a celebrity. Let me introduce you to Vito. We are now broadcasting to the world. Guys, if you want to say hello to the world, to our Canadians, to Americans, to Australian friends, we are live right now.
Ciao.
Vieni qua.
And say
hello to your families. They are watching.
Maybe your family, you're sure they're looking at you.
How are you? Tell your friends, how are you? Fantastic.
Eccolo qua, dai. Eccola Frida, che c'hai? Un altro pezzettino, Gioia.
So we are in Erice. Erice is in the westernmost point of Sicily. You can see behind us Mount Cofano. The day is beautiful. A little bit hot.
Yeah.
But we are super happy to be with Vito. Vito is the owner of the best restaurant in Erice, but we invited us at his house and we had a special experience. Vito taught us how to make the couscous, a special recipe with a North African origin that is a masterpiece in the area of Trapani. I would like to remind you that Erice is in the area, in the province of Trapani, in the westernmost point of Sicily. That's Mount Cofano and the beautiful coastline behind us. So, if you...
Il nome del ristorante è...
Gli Archi di San Carlo. This is a free advertising because Vito is my friend. He deserves this free advertising. Giusto? Lo facciamo col cuore. From the bottom of our heart, he's a great chef, a great person. That's the most important thing.
Bravo.
And we wait for you in Sicily. For those who don't know Erice yet, you don't know what you are missing. Erice is wonderful, spectacular medieval town. And the chance to be invited at Vito's house is something unique. Giusto?
Yes, don't miss this. Don't miss Sicily. Don't miss Erice, okay? Bye-bye.
Sara, vuoi dire qualcosa? Vuoi dire qualcosa? Vuoi salutare? Siamo in diretta, tutti gli amici nel mondo. Saluta, dai, di qualcosa, di ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Vito's daughter. Vito's daughter. Sara.
Look at this beautiful view.
Yeah, now you can see it.
About 2 hours ago, were very cloudy, but Now is beautiful.
Did you say that we had a special lunch?
No, you can say.
Oh, guys, I forgot to mention the most important thing. We had a special lunch at Vito's house. Of course, we enjoyed the best tuna fish, my favorite tuna fish, and we enjoyed couscous and also some excellent recipes by Vito. So this is a unique opportunity. I don't want to add anything else.
Now the food is over, but we enjoyed a lunch in this beautiful location. This is our table, and from this table you can enjoy right this view. One and now
You took my idea right away.
Sorry.
That's fine.
I don't go away.
Beautiful. Now, are his dogs? Do they come in the house and they're like part of the? He only keeps them in the crates during visitors.
Yeah, they are very
We have
quiet.
huskies that we had a kennel when we had guests, and they would go in the kennels and stay there. They're beautiful dogs. And he only uses them for hunting. He doesn't breed them. They look like they're absolutely divine. Thank you so much.
People. You are very welcome.
And now we'll continue the day. But it's nice that it's not quite so hot as it was yesterday. That was, I'm just,
a little bit hard because you have to walk, the distance are not so now
amazing,
the
amazing.
tour will be better, day by day, even better. Where are you going? We are ready to dance. But the view over behind us.
Oh yes. Sorry.
She's a bad director, Rosella.
You can come.
Aspetta. Se no lo metto qua. Guarda, lo metto qua. Sorry guys. Sorry, I tried to do it better. Okay.
So all together. You remember?
Pocket.
If you want, you can also jump. So 1, 2, 3.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Come on, Vito, come on. The cassatelle from Erice.
Cassatelle!
Come here. Cassatelle.
Cassatelle, the special dessert from Erice.
Ready to enjoy.
Thank you, Vito.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Love, hugs and kisses from Gianca and Rosella. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.